Severe weather struck several regions across Missouri and Kansas City, leading to extensive flooding and emergency responses from local authorities. Here's a summary of the latest developments. In Columbia, Missouri, flooding was reported in various areas, including near the airport and across mid-Missouri. The heavy rains have overwhelmed drainage systems, causing roads to become impassable and prompting officials to issue warnings to residents. The situation remains dynamic as emergency crews work to assess and mitigate the impacts of the flooding. Similarly, in Kansas City, the fire department responded to more than 10 water rescue calls following overnight storms that flooded creeks and rivers. Flash flooding occurred in several parts of the city, prompting swift water rescues and temporary closures of affected areas. Residents were urged to avoid flooded roads and to heed evacuation orders as necessary. The aftermath of the storms has seen both cities grappling with the aftermath of widespread flooding. In Omaha, the focus has shifted to post-flood recovery efforts as the Omaha district continues its operations to restore affected areas and support affected communities. Residents have been advised to exercise caution and stay informed about local developments as recovery efforts progress. Despite the challenges posed by the severe weather, there have been no reports of casualties or serious injuries as emergency responders continue to monitor the situation and provide assistance where needed. Local officials emphasize the importance of preparedness and urge residents to stay vigilant during this period of heightened flood risk. They advise avoiding flooded areas, securing property, and following updates from official channels to ensure their safety and well-being. As the affected regions work towards recovery, community resilience and support remain critical in overcoming the impacts of this natural disaster. Authorities are coordinating efforts to provide relief and assistance to those affected, underscoring the importance of solidarity and preparedness in times of crisis.